back, and today we're making slime with balloons! Woohoo! Welcome back to Kyle's Toys and Games. Let's have some fun! This is how it works. We have balloons numbered from 1 to 8, and there's different ingredients in them. So when we pop them, the ingredient goes into our mixing bin. So when we mix it up, it makes our slime. Yeah. It's time for the first balloon, Luke. You gotta hold it so I can pop it. Ready, set, go. It's not popping. Oh, there you go. I got a hole. What's in there? Is it glue? Squeeze it. What is that?
Oh,
it's glue.
It's clear glue.
Swirl and swirl it. Let's move on to the next ingredient.
Yeah.
We got number 2 here.
Ready?
Set, go.
Oh!
It's Orbeez. It's Orbeez with what?
It's Orbeez.
It's Orbeez with
Whoa.
contact solution.
I think that's Orbeez and water.
I think so too.
On to the next balloon.
Ready? It's tied.
Yep. That's tied.
I'll mix it up. Mix.
Definitely tied.
It's blue.
Oh, it's turning into slime. Here, I'll mix it around with my hands.
Yeah. Mix.
Whoa! It's slime! Orbeez slime! That's so cool!
I know, right?
Each balloon is kind of like a little surprise egg.
Yeah.
It has different ingredients in there, but it makes slime, which is awesome. Slime!
Pop it! It's paint. That's definitely paint.
Yeah.
Oh, I just realized you have paint all over your face.
Covered in paint. That popped everywhere.
I know, it got all over our shirt.
That's a giant mess, you guys. Oh.
Oh. What is that? Whoa.
That's contact solution.
The contact solution makes it so it doesn't stick as much.
Well, when you have this much slime, I don't know if it will do anything, but I don't know. Let's see.
Doing something.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of clumping it up. It's starting to come off of the spoon really fast.
Yep. This is turning into slime, you guys.
Woo!
On to the next balloon.
Come on, Luke, pop it! It's shaving cream.
It's shaving cream. I thought it was whipped cream for a second. This turns it into fluffy slime.
It's already fluffy slime!
Whoa! Ah, you can't make slime bubbles with this. Here, let's try again. Oh, nope. Can you do it?
A little one.
Oh, it's so stringy. It's
Whoa! I made a bubble!
You did?
Yeah, I put on a string of slime, but I made a bubble!
Ready, set, go.
What is it?
What is it?
It's like hard.
What? Yeah, it's fake snow. Whoa, that's awesome.
This is gonna make it all like clumpy.
Look at that. It's like snow winter slime.
There's still more!
There's still more. Here, get it all out. Ah, there we go.
There it is.
Let's mix it all in there.
It's very soft
guys.
slime.
Kyle, we're on the last and final balloon. Number 8.
Oh,
What's gonna be in it?
Oh, I think it's glitter.
Oh, it's green glitter.
Whoa!
Fluffy snow glitter Orbeez slime.
It's so stringy. You can kind of see like spider webs. Whoa! Whoa! Can you see that? Like, whoa! I'm making spider webs.
Look, ready? Whoa.
You made slime. My favorite kind of slime is the fluffy slime.
I like the butter slime. I think butter slime is really cool. I think that's the one where you add like some clay into it. I don't know. Tell us down in the comments what your favorite type of slime is. Mine is definitely butter slime or fluffy slime.
Thanks for watching Kyle's Toys and Games. Click any of these other videos to watch more. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Make sure to thumbs up the video!
Yeah!